Hi guys, it's Ben, Freedom Bathrooms. How you going? So what I want to explain to you today is the process that we use to give you the design that you want. So firstly, I come and see you, or Mike comes and sees you. And what we do, we come and see you and we ask you a few questions about what you want to do with your bathroom. We write that all down on paper. So I write your hopes and dreams down on paper and work out how much it's going to cost to produce that. But then the second stage is you come here to our beautiful showroom and pick out your products. So you pick out the tiles you want, you pick out your bathtubs, you pick out the products you want, and then we work out a package deal for the works portion, the product portion. We put them together, give you a bit of a discount, and here's your package deal for us to do the whole lot. Design, quote, product, start, finish, done, there's your bathroom. So that's how we work. So I just want to give you this opportunity to have a look at our showroom, and you can see this is our newest addition to our showroom. We've got 8 bathrooms on display in here. This is our new addition. We're finding this very popular with your subway tiles, your black routs. A lot of people will use black tapware. We've chosen to put chrome tapware in because chrome tapware is going to last you forever. We've used black here on the niche, which you can see how the black on the white with the black route looks beautiful. The subway tile is back in, guys. Go for it. It looks really good. These baths, now freestanding baths were a hit for a while, but now people are realising that freestanding baths like this one over here, you got to get behind it and you got to clean it. With something like this, it goes back to the wall, and it's a lot easier to keep clean. You just sweep around it, mop around it, there you are. So there's our latest addition to our collection. But we also have your standard bathrooms, your shower over your bath, something for you to look at there. We also have a disabled bathroom where you can design your bathroom to suit your needs. More for the elderly or for people with disabilities, that need to be able to get in with a chair or so forth. And then you have your more upmarket bathrooms with your fully rectified tiles. Now, rectified tiles is something that will always cost you more to lay. A rectified tile is the real sharp edge tile, where your normal tile has got the rounded edge on it. The tilers will lay the rounded edge tile a lot quicker. Normal edge, rounded edge, depending on what each store calls it, but rectified is rectified. These tiles here take a lot longer for the tiler to lay. Now, the tiler doesn't get paid by the hour, he gets paid by the metre. He's here longer for this sort of tile, so he charges more per metre. That's how they justify the cost there. But have a look around at our bathroom, at our 8 bathrooms we have, our display room. And this is where you will come, you will meet us, we will walk around with you. You'll say, Ben or Mike, I like this vanity, I like this tile, I like this tap, and then we put the whole package together for you, and there's your beautiful bathroom. So come in and see us, give us a call, we come and see you, then you come and see us, and there's your bathroom. I'll see you on the next one.